them off, don't tuck the gems. What's up to spin? My Tim cutting wind in a custom rim. I'm here now, took long, sue me, I'm all Louis. Wrecking shit, yeah, yours truly, a ball movie. I'm a trip, yeah, tall smoothie, I'm more usually. Your balls border, line, that's up, they gon' choose me. I'm clapping rapid like a draw newsy. I'm back in traffic, matching all jewelry. You dirty bastard, don't you go and school me. Nothing but G's down here, dog, my flow's Gucci. Don Bucker, Tully and 5-star supper. Black Dami, your Scully covers my mind suffer. Guess you a lucky motherfucker, you survived at 21 and ain't at least one toucher.
Call me 50, yeah, call me Ferrari, call me New York. Land list, my name changed, nigga, I ain't playing games. New York, for short, call me NY. New York, for short, call me NY. 50, yeah, call me Ferrari, call me New York. Land list, my name changed, nigga, I ain't playing games. New York, for short, call me NY. New York, for short, call me NY.
417, blow your chest out your ass. Leave them on the concrete like the nigga working ass. The way I work that workout, call me a trainer. Pour that water right off the top, who needs a strainer? Granny told me don't bother forks, I use a hanger. Then I let him sit out and air dry, who needs a hanger? Airport hours, Sunday to Sunday. Let them bitches fly the yard, call it a runway. Call me sensei, teasing me out here. Got an old school whip game, call it a target. Got some red bones to go out the fingers, get that Amari. And every time you walk in their crib, it looks safari. And they don't play by Young Money, Nicki Minaj. Party in there like bruh, let's put guys on. What the fuck you think I'm doing right now? It's how I rock on, rock on, rock on.
50, yeah, call me Ferrari, call me New York.
Black whip, black tints, y'all ain't seeing that. How long? Not long. These rappers in the scope, you never seeing them. Killer bees back in the building with machining them. We creaming them of pockets of dirty money, I'm clean again. Ain't got to tell you I'm dope, just stick the needle in. The goose is all white, big enough to fit this eagle in. Just the seasoning, why ask why? I has my reasons and my birds don't need no seasoning. Method D in this evening. Now ask yourself, is that really air that you breathing in? I think outside the box, did I find a box I can keep them in? Or just leave it then, like the bouncer won't let your people in. People said they want that old map, well this the prequel then. I get medieval, some people won't make the prequel then. Leave them in the fetal position, F it, I'm leaving it. I use the system, you cowards use euphemisms. Women call me super daddy, my powers is supervision. Who gave you permission to speak? To learn you listen, learn to listen to a different MC. You learn the difference in addition if you're missing MC. Sign this petition, get a fraction of that faction subtracted by my division. I'm a boss, so that means I make decisions slash villain. I will kill an MC to make a living, yeah.
Crazy, luxury condos and bad hoes, crazy. Hop out the porch, jump in the Lambos, crazy. Living off no sleep, these cold streets made me. Back in the big hoes, but shit get crazy. Luxury condos and bad hoes, crazy. Hop out the porch, jump in the Lambos, crazy. Living off no sleep, these cold streets made me. Back in the big hoes, but shit get crazy. Staring at the world through Versace lenses. Moving Tony with my homie, cause he bout the business. If we make it to a birdie, then we copping Benz. Sound good until a nigga end up in the prison. Look at me, I'm the definition of detrimental. Off the driver's side of this rental, busting up out the window. Sending witnesses to the hospital for my acquittal. Man, my blind, you riding with him, we dying with you. Killer with the baby face, nigga, pray the place. Game member, police got me in the database. Before I drop it in the water, get a yeah chase. About a quarter thing, hold me over, call it paperweight. We don't even speak on the word beef, we let it be. Right back on the ass, the psychopath from 17. Nigga, ain't no peace on the east, the streets raised. Used to burn shit in the Lambos, my lifestyle crazy. Luxury condos and bad hoes, crazy. Hop out the porch, jump in the Lambos, crazy. Living off no sleep, these cold streets made me. Back in that big hoes, but shit get crazy. Luxury condos and bad hoes, crazy. Hop out the porch, jump in the Lambos, crazy. Living off no sleep, these cold streets made me. Back in that big hoes, but shit get crazy. Trying to do my thing, be a good nigga out here, man.
Back on my grind, I'm hustling. It's just a matter of time, and I'll come up. They talk cause my love and respect for this is so strong. I question the state of hip hop, major labels, etc. And so on. The show will go on.